Everybody walk in. Full push, bro. Full push, full push, full push, full push. Okay, we can face one side. We can face one side. Let's go. Okay. Everybody go southeast. Everybody come southeast. Come southeast. Come southeast. Come southeast. Come southeast.
Yo,
Come
Sanjay,
southwest.
Sanjay.
Walk southwest.
Villain
Walk
engine, villain
southwest. Southwest. Walk southwest. Go. Everybody look south. Walk in. Walk in. Walk in. Everybody south in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2. That's the whole fucking party of the show. The whole fucking party of the show. Fight this now. Good fucking damage. Defend now. Defend now. Defend now. Defend. Defend shallow. Defend shallow. Defend shallow. And full walk.
Demon guys, demon.
Okay.
Shadow. Sanjay, go Shadow.
It's okay. Keep going. Kill like people inside. Kill the people inside. Kill this guy inside. Kill this guy inside. Kill this guy inside. Kill this guy inside. My DPS come with me, boys. My DPS come with me.
Stop Sanjay, stop Sanjay.
Defend. Regina. You're north. I'll miss the north. You heal from Katana. Heal from Katana. Everybody look north. Everybody walk north. Get ready 5. Get ready 4. Get ready 3. You on the juggernaut. On the fucking juggernaut. Nice fucking walk. Just keep killing them.
Villain angel looking.
Keep cooking. Keep northeast. I'm pushing northeast. Okay, I'm pushing northeast.
stop looting guys, stop looting.
Keep going northeast. Do not loot. Do not fucking loot. Leave loot to fucking loot. Okay. Defend. Hold. Hold not. You can hold the engaging. Defend shallow. Defend shallow. Everybody look north. Walk northwest. Walk northwest on this pitch. Get ready on this pitch. 5, in 4, in 3, 1. Hit the fucking bridge. Hit the fucking bridge. Give me this kill, boys. Give me this kill. Kill this healer. Nice. Now stay here. Don't push. We can hold this bitch. Alvista, I can't hear you. Where are you, bro? I'm fighting Challenger, okay?
Yo, 1d10 watch northwest and 1d10 watch south.
It's only us. Everybody. Care on the bridge. Yo, my player.
Check up. Yo, getting.
Defend shallow. Everybody walk in. Get ready 5. Get ready on this pitch. After the GA, get ready 4. On this tank in 3, in 2. Hit this tank inside. On the ground. Kill this tank. And go back. Defend now.
Defend, demon.
Good job.
Demon guys, demon.
Hold. Very scanty.
Behind us, Candy behind us.
Okay, everybody come back, leave the bridge. We are fighting alone. Our allies are like chilling there. Everybody, look at this bridge again. Yo, I need one guy on Alvista. I need one guy on Alvista. Where are you, bro? I'm fighting on the bridge on the. Okay, I'm coming to you. Then. You can watch my best. Everybody go east.
Can party go east.
Everybody come. Mount up. We can watch. Keep walking. Keep Pantera. Keep walking Challenger. Everybody mount up.
Shadow, di check up. Engage.
I'm looking for the allies. They're fighting alone. I don't want to leave them alone. Okay, come to me. Everybody come to me. Dismount inside. Everybody find the crown. Get ready 5. Look at the south. Dismount. I give you time. I'm with you, bro. Full push them. Get ready 5. Look for the crown. Get ready 4. In 3. Deep fucking west now. Hit this. And give me defense. Full
Demon
push them.
guys, demon.
Keep pushing and brawl. Push and brawl. Don't be the choke. They're looking. Defend. Heal some friend. You already heals from the shadow and heals from the crown. Everybody get ready. We're gonna hit in 10 seconds again. Find the crown. We're gonna hit shallow this time. My DPS walk with me. Find the spam. My DPS find the spam. Everybody look deep southwest. Boots in now. Go come to the position. Get ready 5. Get ready 4. 3. 1. Deep south on the crown. Give me this kill. Keep kill this guy. Yeah, keep pushing them. Okay, I'm full pushing them. You keep pushing them. It's okay. Keep pushing them and crawl. Defend shallow. They're engaging. They are broken.
Yes, defensive.
Listen, there's Chief Panther on the northwest. I'm gonna full push Chief Panther. These guys are getting sandwiched right now, okay? Everybody look.
Behind us.
DPS come to me. It's okay. DPS come to me. Just enjoy the content, bro. Just come. DPS come to me. Look on the northwest. Get ready 5. Get ready 4. In 3. 1. Hit the fucking down. Hit this choke. More damage. Yo, DPS. Go back now. Crawl with the guys who are inside.
Some people behind us.
Okay. Stay here.
Shadow. They look.
It's okay. Just spread.
Defensive.
No, it's just spread. They're not doing shit.
Uh,
They're engaging shallow. They're engaging shallow. Poppen. What are you doing, Cody?
Oh my
Everybody walk in. Everybody walk in. Get ready. 5. Get ready. 4. 3. Hit on the ground. 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 This clump, bro. They're already clumped. Give me this kill. Kill these guys, man. Kill these guys. Walk in. Mighty explosion. Walk in. Listen, come northeast. Go northeast and wrap around. Go northeast and wrap around. Be ready to spread. They're looking now. Everybody look on the west. Get ready. 5. Get ready. 4. On the street. 3 and 2. Hit the fucking bridge. Hit the fucking bridge in the front. More damage, boys. Finish these guys. Walk in. Full. Run them over. Walk in. They have engaged in 5 seconds again. Run them over. Keep rolling with them. Okay, Elvis, stay with us now. Everybody defend, get ready on the choke. Defend the choke now. Defend the choke now. I called for it. Walk in, no fucking fear. Everybody up the hill in 5, in 4, in 3. Hit up the hill now. Up the hill now. Full fucking damage. Nice. Walk in. We break them. Walk in. Yo, listen, my healers, keep walking with us. Don't focus on the move. Keep walking with us. They're gonna engage with my head. You keep draw all these guys inside. Nice fucking job. Draw all these guys inside. Nice.
Army don't need to.
Okay, it's okay. Keep rolling these guys inside. Wait for my call. Keep rolling these guys inside. You reset OC here. Kill this healer. On me. Kill this reset OC healer. Walk in. Look north. Everybody look north. Yeah, defend north. Everybody look north on the ground. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the ground now. I'm pushing north, bro. They're engaging.
that's it. Demon.
No, not yet. Keep pushing them. No, they have exited now. Everybody look west. Walk in west. They're full kiting. We stop them. 5 seconds. Everybody look west and 5. Everybody boots in now. Get ready. 5. Boots in. Get ready. 4. Up the hill west. 3, 2, 1. Hit shallow on the ground. Just scared. Defend ready. Full push them. Keep pushing them. Push and brawl. And make sure to move now. You're free to move now. We fucking wipe everyone right now. You're free to move now. If you're seeing the body dying, okay, there's a blob on the southeast side. You have to be careful, okay? Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, He's overweight. Kill this fucker. He has fucking rat. Why you loot so much?
4 FPS. Wow.
Okay,